Welcome to episode 4 of 5-Minute Tech Takes with Naveen. In this episode, we will learn about zero power communication technology, its working principle, advantages, applications and limitations. I bet you have heard of OnePlus. It is the very popular smartphone brand that revolutionized the smartphone industry with its flagship killer line of smartphones. Well, a few of you might also know that the OnePlus company has merged with the Oppo smartphone company recently. While many people know Oppo as a smartphone manufacturer, it is also a company heavily involved in the research and development of telecommunications and mobile technology in general, particularly at the cutting edge and as it relates to 5G and beyond. Oppo Research Institute has officially released a new white paper on zero power communication. The white paper envisions batteryless communication devices which it calls zero power communication. Before we go further, don't forget to subscribe to Chip in Detail if you like this video. This will motivate me to bring high quality educational content to my audience. Before we start, what exactly is zero power communication? It is a concept that future IoT devices will operate without a battery. Instead of packaging devices with a chemical battery, we are giving them the ability to create their energy from radiation. Zero power devices can harvest ambient radio signals from sources such as TV towers, FM radio towers, cellular base stations, and Wi-Fi access points as their source of power. They can even mix ambient radio with their own information and transmit these signals for communication. RF harvesting does technically exist already, which Oppo has acknowledged in its introductory zero power communication press release. But in its current state, RF harvesting has restrictions related to coverage, which Oppo has claimed to address via its zero power communication. Oppo also asserts that its new version is a hybrid approach involving the use of RF from cellular sources, and the sidelink technique has the potential to be more effective and also developer ready at this point. Now that you have understood the basic overview of the zero power communication technology, let's dive a little deeper into its technicalities. Zero power communication utilizes three key principles to achieve its batteryless technology. They are 1. RF power harvesting, 2. Backscattering, 3. Low power computing. The concept of RF power harvesting is straightforward. RF power harvesting aims to convert radio frequency energy into direct current. The energy can be stored in a unit such as a capacitor, or it can be directly used to drive sensors, logic circuits and digital chips. The second principle is backscattering. I would say that this is the most important of the three principles. In a zero power communication system, the backscattering transmitter modulates and reflects the received RF signal to transmit data instead of generating the RF signal itself. The final principle is low power computing. To achieve low power computing, this can be done by using a combination of low power consumption receiver, low power consumption microcontroller, and using simple coding and modulation techniques for communication. If you want to dive even deeper into the nitty-gritty details of zero power communication, as always I have provided a curated collection of links in the video description for further learning. We have now covered the basic working principle of the zero power communication technology. Now let's look at the advantages, applications and challenges of zero power communication technology. First, let's look at its advantages. 1. Low manufacturing cost. 2. Longer product life. 3. Extremely small size products. 4. Low hardware complexity. Now let's look at its applications. 1. Smart wearables. 2. Smart home. 3. Medical care. 4. Smart agriculture. 5. Smart logistics. And 6. Smart cities. Finally, let's look at the challenges for implementing zero power communication. 1. Sufficient wireless power is needed. 2. Efficiency of the wireless power supply needs to be improved. 3. Complex modulation and coding is not supported currently. 4. Interference is a big challenge. 5. Lightweight security mechanisms need to be implemented. Oppo has already successfully built its own zero power communication system and demonstrated a proof of concept. Oppo is targeting the release of commercial zero power communication technology within the next 3 to 5 years as it continues to build smarter, more convenient and greener communication systems. We have come to the end of the video and you can like and share the video if you found it useful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Chip in Detail for more such videos.